Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a really practical accessory for anyone who needs to keep their Visioneer One-Touch Paperport USB flatbed scanner 8650 desktop powered up while on the move. We're talking about the Visioneer Car DC adapter, a brand new replacement designed specifically for this scanner. This isn't just any car adapter. It's engineered to be fully compatible with the 8650 model, ensuring your scanner gets the precise power it needs, even when you're away from a standard wall outlet. Imagine being able to scan documents right from your car, a truly convenient solution for mobile professionals or anyone needing on-the-go document management. One of the first things that stands out about this Visioneer adapter is its commitment to safety. It boasts international quality certification, meaning it meets top industry standards. This isn't just a claim, it includes multiple safety mechanisms. We're talking about protection against short-circuiting, overvoltage, overcurrent, and even internal overheating. This comprehensive approach gives users peace of mind, knowing their valuable scanner and vehicle's electrical system are well protected. Beyond safety, the power supply itself is described as having sufficient power, which is crucial for consistent scanner performance. It's also undergone rigorous aging tests, a testament to its reliability. The use of high-quality copper core wire is a significant detail here. This isn't just about efficient power transfer. It means the wire is not easily prone to breaking, effectively extending the overall life of the power supply. This attention to material quality suggests a product built to last. The design also considers user convenience. It features a spring coil, which allows for a relatively wide range of use without creating a tangled mess or taking up excessive space in your vehicle. This thoughtful design element makes it much more practical for everyday use, whether you're reaching for the scanner in the back seat or setting it up on a portable desk. It's important to remember this is a brand new, high-quality replacement adapter from Visioneer, not an OEM part, but designed to perform just as effectively. Its black color and lightweight 2-ounce design make it unobtrusive and easy to carry. With USB connectivity and a 2-pin main power connector, it's straightforward to plug in and get going. For anyone relying on their Visioneer 8650 scanner for mobile work, this Visioneer Car DC adapter appears to be a robust and reliable solution, offering both safety and convenience in a compact package. It truly empowers users to take their scanning capabilities wherever their journey leads them.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.